Alright, what's good, guys and girls? It is your boy, Justin Omoe here. And guess what? Your boy put out a beat kit. Not me, but my homie, Deialmo. It's called D2. And we're gonna make something out of it. This is a fully blind listening FL. Bomb. Thank you. We're going to the D2. There it is. Composition and stems. Okay, so it's the beats, right? He made a beat, I'm guessing. And then the stems is like, hey, this is what I use for the... Yeah, there you go. Get out of my head. Alright, so should I listen to them or should I just go into it blind? Bubble boy. Tell you what, I'm gonna listen to this one say get out of my head. It's the first one. It should be a banger. That sucks. Oh, I thought it would have been like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so there's layers to this. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is just the stems of the compositions that he made.
Getting sentimental.
There's an origin for this sound. Yeah, so the name of the game is just to throw the stems in, listen to it, find a good part, sample it, and use it in your own beat. So let's go ahead and try that out. Oh yeah, and there is a scale with it, C minor. You already know me. You already know me. We start with Nexus. Yeah, Nexus 5. Hit your boy up. Fuck, I can't twist my fingers? What is that? I could do it easily here, but... I ain't affiliated with anything, by the way. I'm a nerd. Okay, I'm not nerding. Why does Nexus always have this grainy ass sound? And no, ass was not an adjective. I'm rolling with it, man. I'm just rolling with it. Alright, I don't know how long I was playing with this, but I just came to the conclusion that this sound is so damn happy. I was gonna say the Q word, but some of y'all are gonna be offended. I know, because you are. We're gonna go to the Matrix, or yeah, I don't know. I'm just pressing anything at this point. Next. Finally, a sound that sounds kinda alright. We're rolling with that. And I just need to find a different sound or something. I can work with this sound. Why is it just like cut off? Am I missing something? you see? I'm not bugging. What the fuck was that? Is it a skill issue? Just when I thought I had a nice sound, something has out. Yeah. Why didn't I start with this in the beginning, man? This piano's nice with the lower end. The lower end ain't cutting it, so let's find another sound for that. Maybe a bass or something. Alright, I'm just gonna stick back to What's the name? I'm sorry. Okay, I like the Synfag Otto. It sounds good. Alright. I don't know. I'm just gonna hit play. I know I didn't buy this FL Key 37 for nothing, so let me see if I could figure out again how to do this sequencer. I should have saved that for the next one. What does this do? Okay. What does this do? One thing I want to do last before I go into the homies sample kit, let's go ahead and make this bass sound like a bass. So we go here. You already know everyone's favorite booby plugin. Nani. Shout out to Nani. I'm feeling that. So let's go ahead and jump into Deialmo's sample here that we threw in here, and let's pinpoint a sound that would work with our beat. Well, I already got a bass, so. I think I'll take this main one, this vocal. I have no idea how to do this. And I should let you in on a secret. I don't like sampling at all. It's not only is it a monetary thing, like, hey, yo, you trying to get a percent off of me, but also, I mean, I love hearing sampled stuff, but sometimes the setup is annoying. Alright, I like that there. Okay, I like that. That sounds cool, but I want to pitch up the vocals. I like that. I want to make this like ghastly. So we're gonna go to reverb. 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 I like it. I'm sorry. This sounds like weed. Weed. Roll it. Oh, okay. Hey. Don't steal my sample. Now, if only I could figure a way to not make it click. Smoothing. There you go. Pretty sure I put click reduction on. It's still clicking. Well, whatever. Let me throw in a modulation. A double R. Actually, scratch that. No. Keep it on. Keep this. Man, if I was a smoker, I would have been making a song about weed and rolling weed. Someone send this to Wiz Khalifa. I like it. If you're interested in this sound sample pack, go ahead and check out the link in the description down below. It'll help your boy's homie out. Hit the subscribe button. It's going to help your boy. And yeah, with that being said, peace. I'm going to see you guys and girls in the next one. We're probably going to finish this beat and then turn it into a song. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right. So take care of yourselves and have yourselves a damn good one.